This video shows how to buy shares of Baiya International Group Inc., ticker BIYA, listed on NASDAQ, with a short educational walkthrough. Baiya International Group Inc. is a publicly listed company with international operations, and this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BIYA to find Baiya International Group Inc. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and an interactive price chart to review. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker BIYA to confirm this is the correct asset. To invest, click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review any order settings and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next open, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor performance and settings. A soft link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.